Topping headlines today, the Supreme Court ruled over many of President Donald Trump's tariffs, saying he overstepped his authority. However, Trump says he will find another way to bring in money. NBC's Julie Sirkin explains what's going on.
A gut punch to President Trump's signature economic policy. The Supreme Court today struck down many of his taxes on foreign countries. In a 6-3 decision, the justices said Trump overstepped his authority when he imposed sweeping tariffs using a law designed for a national emergency, known as the International Emergency Powers Act, or IEPA. President Trump lashing out against the justices.
The Supreme Court's ruling on tariffs is deeply disappointing, and I'm ashamed of certain members of the court, absolutely ashamed.
And warning he will try to hit countries with tariffs a different way.
Today I will sign an order to impose a 10% global tariff under Section 122, over and above our normal tariffs already being charged.
Trump imposed so-called reciprocal tariffs last year on nearly every country in the world, claiming he was leveling the trade playing field and arguing the taxes were a matter of national security.
Foreign countries that have been ripping us off for years are ecstatic. They're so happy. And they're dancing in the streets.
But American businesses have been paying tariffs on goods they sell here and make overseas. Several small companies have sued, saying the tariffs were so high they can't stay in business. The court's decision also makes clear the president stepped on Congress's territory. NBC's legal correspondent Gary Grumbach explains.
This is a ruling that is incredibly important politically, economically, but also for the Constitution's separation of powers. Chief Justice John Roberts, in his opinion today, said in no uncertain terms that the power to tariff and the power to tax lies with Congress, not the President of the United States.
Congress has voted several times to block Trump's tariffs on certain countries, and some Republicans joined Democrats today to celebrate the Supreme Court's ruling.
In Washington, Julie Sirkin, NBC News.